Hey everyone, it's Jack here from Untitled Chapter, and today I'm unboxing the Space Gray Magic Mouse. So I took a look at this about 2 months ago in my iMac Pro unboxing, because back then the only place you could get it was with the iMac Pro, and following Apple's March 27th keynote, it did go on sale separately for the first time, albeit at a £20 premium over the silver model. So as soon as it went on sale, I bought the mouse and the keyboard, both in space grey. I'll be unboxing the keyboard shortly, so keep an eye out for that video. But right now, we're going to take a look at the mouse. So if we take a quick look at the box, on the front we've got a nice profile view of the mouse. Down the sides we do have Apple logos on both sides, and on the back we have some compatibility information about the mouse. So let's cut into the plastic and let's get into this thing and take a look at it. It is a really cool looking mouse from what I remember with the iMac Pro. So I'm very excited to actually have one. I don't have an iMac Pro, I've just got the normal silver iMac, but I'm sure it will still look pretty good on my desk. So yeah, if we remove the lid of the packaging, just gently slide it out. There it is, resting on top, very nice. It's just a black magic mouse with grey aluminium underneath it. We'll take a better look at it in a second, but let's see what's in the rest of the packaging. So if we remove this little cradle that the mouse sits in, we find our documentation underneath, and if we lift that up, we also get a black lightning cable, which is also very cool because you can't get these elsewhere other than the iMac Pro or with a space grey accessory, so the keyboard, mouse and trackpad. So that's pretty cool in itself. Let's take a look at this documentation we got. So if we slide it out, we just have some warranty information and safety information. This booklet is basically how to pair it in many different languages. So nothing too exciting there. Obviously the star of the show is the mouse itself, which does look really nice. Here is a silver Magic Mouse for comparison, my outgoing mouse I've had for about 5 years. That's the original Magic Mouse, so without the rechargeable batteries. Just for comparison, here is a silver Magic Mouse 2, so the exact same model but in a different color. And there you can see the true comparison, obviously much darker aluminium on the grey model. And there's another look at that really nice black lightning cable, really nicely done. It's really cool to have a couple of those for a change. So that's that for this unboxing. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.